Today we will be talking about sort 11 in the within word patterns for words their way. Before we begin the lesson, make sure you have all of your words cut out, your name or number or initials on the back of each of your words, and have your word sort mat for sort 11, which is page 43 in your book, ready to begin the sort. When you have your words cut out and you have page 43 open in your book, you may continue the lesson. Today we will be talking about words that have the short A sound, like in apple, and the long A sound, like in the word aim. Words that have the short A sound, like in apple, will be written or spelled with a consonant, vowel, consonant pattern. So within the word, you'll see a consonant, vowel, consonant, and the A will make an A sound like in apple. Words that have the long A sound like in aim and make the A sound will have two different choices for patterns. They will have a consonant, vowel, vowel, consonant, usually with an A-I, or a consonant, vowel, consonant, and then an E in the word. So as we are looking at our words, we are going to be looking for the short A sound in apple, a, and the word will have a consonant, vowel, consonant, or the long A sound, such as a in aim, and it will be spelled with a consonant, vowel, vowel, consonant, or consonant, vowel, consonant, ending with an E. So let's go ahead and look at our words and look at our sorting columns. So here is our columns for our sort. And you can see they gave us some examples. The first example they gave us is cat. And you can hear in cat, it makes the short A sound like what is in the word apple. And you can see it goes consonant, vowel, consonant. So our consonants are in blue, and our vowel is in red. The next word they give us is face, ace, and so the A makes the A sound like in aim. And the pattern there is consonant, which is blue, vowel, which is A, and that is red, and then consonant, which is a C. And then you can see it ends in an E. So face has the long A sound, and it goes consonant, vowel, consonant, and it ends in an E. The next column, rain, makes the A sound that you hear in aim. And the pattern for that is consonant, the letter R is a consonant, vowel, which is an A, another vowel, which is the I, and then a consonant at the end that is an N. And so what we're looking for in these words is that AI that's next to each other. And then there's going to be two oddballs in our sort. So they might have the AI, but they don't make the A sound. Or they might have the A standing alone, but they don't make the short A sound like in apple. Okay, so let's look at some of our words and see if we can determine where we think that they will belong. So the first word that we have is brain. Brain. And brain is spelled B-R-A-I-N. So when I look at brain, I see that it has the A-I in it. So brain is going to go in my third column. And so I'm going to write the word, but I want you to find the word in your pile of words and put the word brain underneath the column with the long A sound, spelled with A-I. So that A-I right there is what we were looking for. All right, the next word is camp. Camp is spelled C-A-M-P. And when we pronounce the word camp, amp, it makes that A sound like what you hear in apple. So camp is going to go in our first column. So I'm going to write the word camp, but I want you to find the word camp in your pile of words and put it in that first column. And you can see in camp, it does the consonant, vowel, consonant pattern. So we have our consonant C, our vowel A, and then another consonant M. So camp goes in the first column. The next word that we have is brain. Brain. Oh, I already did brain, sorry. The next word that we have is bake. Bake. And so when we do bake, we can hear the A sound like what you hear in aim. So I'm going to write the word bake, B-A-K-E. And so this is bake. You know what? I don't like my writing there, so I'm going to erase it and make it better. So bake, I'm going to try again. B-A-K-E. That's a little bit better. Okay, so when I look at bake, I have my consonant, which is a B, my vowel, which is the A, and then another consonant, and then I have that E there to show that it goes in the second column. And when I say ache, it makes the same A sound that I hear in face or the word aim. All right, my next word is black, black. So the A is the short A sound. So that means that black is going to come over here in my first column. B-L-A-C-K. So as I'm writing it, you should be finding your word black and putting it down in the first column. And we know that black goes in the first column because it has an L as the consonant. Your vowel is the A, and it makes the short A sound. And then your C is the consonant. So black has the short A sound and goes in the first column. The next word is crane. 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 So it makes the long A sound and it ends in an E. So crane goes in my second column. C-R-A-N-E. And so then I can check the pattern. I have consonant R, vowel A, consonant N, and it ends in the E. So crane is my next, or goes in the second column. So find your word crane and put it in the second column. Okay, now I would like for you to continue your sort by practicing this pattern. So take all of your words and put them in to the column where you think they belong. After you have pause the video while you do that. When you are done doing your sort, unpause the video to check your work. All right, now that you have had a chance to do your sort, let's look at the answer key. So if you look, our first column was the short A with the consonant, vowel, consonant. So you should have black, camp, dash, flash, snack, stamp. Your second column, and actually if you look at this answer key, it's different compared to what our sort paper was. So these columns were actually switched. So our second column was the consonant, vowel, consonant with the E, and on this one they're switched. So let's look at what's the third column here. We're going to look at this one first. So our second column on your sort that you're looking at should have bake, blame, crane, main, place, snake. So if you notice, all of them end in E's, and all of them make that A sound. Bake, blame, crane, main, place, snake. Okay, and now let's look at the third column, which is actually the second column on our answer key. And these ones all have the AI sound when they make their long I sound. So brain, faint, main, paint, snail, and train. And then the last column is the oddball, and these are the words that they always try to put in there to trick you, and let's see if they tricked you. So said is an oddball. Said is an oddball because even though it has that AI sound, it doesn't make the A like we hear in aim. Said. It makes an eh sound. So said is an oddball. The other oddball we have is want. It has an A, but it doesn't make a short A sound like an apple. Want. It makes a ah sound almost like an O. So our oddballs are said and want. If you had any of the words wrong on your sort, I want you to change them and move them in the column they are. And then pause the video, try to do your sort one more time without looking at the answer key, and then check it again with your answer key. Nice work, Batman. You are done with your lesson today, so make sure you have all of your words put back into your envelope. Check your desk area, check the floor, check everywhere around you to make sure you have all of your words put back in your envelope. Then close your envelope and put your book back, or put your Words Their Way book back in the tub. Good job.